Cables suck, so we made CableCap, the 3D printed answer to cable chaos. After dealing with messy cords for years, we were sick of it, so we created a complete storage system. First step is to pick a size, then fold your cable and snap on the cap. It's super easy, right? But there's so much more. Let's talk configurations. That's a puzzle piece base. They snap together to create infinite possibilities. So you build whatever setup works for you. And they're magnetic too. You can sit them on your desk or tucked away in a drawer. But we took things up a notch. We designed an entirely modular storage rack that grows with your storage needs. And with our library of custom snap-in labels, you can actually find the cord you're looking for in seconds. And for bigger cables, we created cable clips. They print in place, so no support or hardware needed. So if you're tired of the cable chaos like we were, this is your fix. Get access to the STL files and start 3D printing. Back CableCap now.